Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Apple Maps and choosing the exact area you need offline. This saves time later. Make sure you're signed in with your Apple ID, location services are allowed, and background app refresh is enabled. Those settings let downloads finish even if you switch apps. Once done, zoom to the neighborhood or route, tap the map pin or menu, and start the offline download. This creates the local map files on your iPhone for offline routing. You now control size and progress so offline maps don't exceed storage limits. First, inspect storage in settings. Offline areas can range from a few hundred megabytes to several gigabytes. Next, download smaller sections. Crop or save neighborhood tiles rather than whole states and label them for quick access. Once a download starts, watch progress in Settings Maps so you can pause or cancel if you need space. This keeps maps fast and conserves your iPhone's capacity. You're ready to navigate offline. Open your saved map and start a route. The iPhone's GPS provides position without cellular data, so turn on location and follow directions. Make sure to update your offline maps on Wi-Fi from time to time. Road changes and points of interest refresh only when you download updates. If a saved map won't appear, restart Maps, verify you have enough storage, and re-download the specific area. That fixes most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.